Welcome everyone to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to download OpenStreetMap data into JOSM and how to use the layer panel. First, let's look at the method of downloading data using the bounding box option in JOSM. You simply find the area you want to download, draw a bounding box around it, and then click the download button. Now you can see the features from OpenStreetMap. To make it easier to view, I will also add Esri imagery as a background. In the layer panel, you will now see both the downloaded feature layer and the imagery layer. To use the layer panel, make sure it is enabled under the Windows menu in the main menu bar. Next, let's try downloading another area again using a bounding box. Another method is by going to the File menu in the main menu bar and choosing Download in Current View. Now JOSM is downloading the data. With these two methods, you can easily download data in JOSM. In the layer panel, you can reorder layers such as OpenStreetMap data and imagery to display them the way you prefer. You can also hide or show layers very easily. The downloaded OSM data can be saved on your computer in .OSM format. Later, you can add the saved OSM data back into QGIS by using the Add Layer option. You can import all the features, points, lines, and polygons. Finally, to make it more visually clear, I will also add the Esri imagery as a background. In the next videos, I'll continue sharing more things to learn in JOSM. Thank you all for watching.